Hello, I am Karthik Kamal Kumar, Director at Electra Kokotawa. A few years back, I started my research on menstrual hygiene. I observed that many organizations are involved in distribution of free sanitary pads, but no one is focusing on resolving the real ground problem, that is easy availability of pad at the time of need. This gave the idea for bringing vending machines for sanitary pads. This machine dispenses a fresh and hygienic pad at the press of a button. Our machines can be installed easily in any female toilet. During my research, I came across another issue, that is disposal of used pads. Menstrual waste has been increasing every day, which is in turn contributing to carbon footprint of plastic. Used pads clog drains when flushed or thrown away carelessly. Stray dogs and animals usually go through the bins and this disposed waste. According to experts, one pad could take 500 to 800 years to decompose as the plastic used is non-biodegradable and can lead to health and environmental hazards. An incinerator is a solution to counter this issue. An incinerator can turn a pad to ash in minutes with minimal effect to environment. Our incinerators operate at 300 degrees Celsius, which is enough to shrink the non-biodegradable plastic and burns the toxic waste. With a smoke controller attached, it makes the process odorless and filters the carbon content. Our main objective is to especially ensure women empowerment so that girls can live their life with dignity. Our vending machines and incinerators can be installed at any girls' washrooms, be it school, university, workplace, or any public place, and help ensure easy availability of fresh sanitary pads and responsible disposal of the used pads. We request organizations to come forward and support us.
Electra's Coco Lady is a product that offers multi-pronged solutions. It not only makes sanitary napkins easily accessible to women, but also solves the problem of disposal. Waste is reduced to ash by the use of incinerator, amplifying the need of the hour, which is women's empowerment and sustainability. Coco Lady is an ingenious product, totally indigenous, embodying the call by our Honorable Prime Minister of Swachh Bharat and Make in India. I would urge you to support the causes synonymous with Coco Lady and help our society be a hygienic heaven for our women.